What's up, guys? Trade recap for the day. And honestly, there wasn't much that I thought I wasn't gonna take a trade today because of the fact that we just straight up dumped. And if we didn't see any retraces, that's where I would have just hung up, like decided just not to trade today. But we did see a couple of retraces into this for 1 minute inversion. Decided to take that, got break even, fat wick, fat candle. Decided to take that, break even. And then finally, once we broke structure, inversion, fair value gap, so many like we just built up so much liquidity. 15-minute gap here, unfilled 1 minute right here, and then finally first presented up here with the smooth lows as well. So it just became very clear that we wanted to see a retrace before we dump further. And the reason why I wanted to see shorts in the first place was because of this wick. So I had this wick graded, and if you guys didn't know, wicks are PD arrays. Like if you go lower down into the lower time frames, usually they are PD arrays. So that's where I wanted to see shorts into. But after ES took out Thursday session lows, which also was the low of the week, um, it was kind of obvious that we wanted like to see longs and retraces because um, this 1 minute gap just never got inversed, and that's why I switched. So once we got the push up, push down, I got in at the fair value gap, stops below this this order block, and then TP within this 1 minute, um, which also lined up with the 15-minute fair value gap, and then finally we just expanded up, took the rest of my position out at this volume imbalance, but honestly we could have taken out for an extra like $40, $20 if we waited for first presented fair value gap to be booked, which also lined up with these smooth lows. So that was pretty much perfect there. And that is about it. I think what do we have? Rest of the week, Tuesday, not much yellow and orange. Wednesday we do have 8:30 red folder. Not Thursday 8:30 unemployment claims. That's an orange now. Anyways, and then Friday we have 10 a.m. red folder, and then also leading up we have Thursday, Friday, Saturday with Jackson Hole. Um, and from my prior experience, Jackson Hole isn't honestly too crazy. Yes, we see some spikes every now and then, but like that's just gonna happen with any parliament or like any Fed chairs speaking. So yeah, that is that. Hopefully everyone had a good trading day, and this is the P&L. So 300 across both accounts. 625 to end the day. Just need 2 more winning days um on my first account, and then 3 more on my first account, which also still in drawdown. So I don't think I'm gonna get a payout anytime soon. But knock on wood, maybe I do. But yeah, I will see you guys again on Tuesday. Peace.